This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the CS Fundamentals International Edition Course 3. I'm on the lesson, maze. Use the repeat block to solve the puzzle quickly. We get to start using repeat. So when run, and now if I drag out this repeat block, what's cool about the repeat block is, it repeats. Any code I put in between kind of the mouth of this pink block will happen over and over. How many times? Well, repeat 5 times. So if I hit run, whoop, I kind of flew. Oh, is that all it wanted? I want to show you a bit more with this, okay? Now watch if I hit step. We can watch the code move. So I'm going to move forward, and then I move forward, step, move forward. The reason it's doing this is the repeat block starts, we hit when run, the computer says, oh, I got to do this 5 times. Okay, well, zoop, what code? Move forward. Okay, I'll move forward once. Boom. Zoop. Move forward. Okay, now I've moved forward twice. Now 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Once it hits 5, it would drop below and run anything below. But we obviously don't have anything below. So, awesome. Let's keep going.